Good morning, Mr. Smith. My name is Brian, and I'm with Fireland Chevy Buick here in Norwalk. Hey, this is the Avalanche that you inquired about. Fairway metallic green. Very, very rare. Awesome looking color. The metallic flake that is in this vehicle is absolutely phenomenal. You can just see that flake that's in there. This thing really pops. Now, this vehicle is dirty, has not been ran through my shop yet. It has not been detailed. So you're seeing it the exact way that this gentleman traded this in. Backup sensors, nice rims. Leather, middle console, sunroof. Back seat looks like it's hardly even been sat in. Very, very good, excellent shape. All your controls. Very clean vehicle, very well taken care of. Again, Mr. Smith, my name is Brian. I'm with Fireland Chevy Buick here in Norwalk, Ohio. 419-239-5784. It's my cell phone number. That's how you can reach me. Thank you so much, Mr. Smith. Hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.